Hey you guys, so I decided not to do an intro, just got straight into the tutorial. So I start off with brushing my brows and clipping them. So I just brushed the hairs up and down and just clipped off the excess hairs so they wouldn't be in the way, and my brows like super long and super thick, so I just want them to be as nice as they could be. But yeah, I'm prepping the brows now, brushing them and wiping them clean, and now I'm starting in with the Nair hair removal, and I'm using the Nair facial hair removal because I just don't want to use nothing else on my face. My skin is very, very sensitive, you guys. Like, I went outside the other day and now I got bumps in my face. Like, that's how sensitive my skin is. So I didn't want to take any chances on using anything that wasn't for the face. So yeah, I'm just carving my brows out like I would if I was using concealer. And as you guys can see, that I have a lot of hair on my forehead, so I was trying to get my little baby hairs my natural baby hairs is on my forehead. But yeah, just carving them out like I'm doing regular brows and wiping them off. I let it stay on for 10 minutes. It said don't exceed 10 minutes, so I took it off at exactly 10 minutes. And yeah, I mean, I like it, for the price and for the convenience. It was pretty good. And I just used a baby wipe to wipe that off, by the way. And I'm going in with some tweezers and plucking it. You guys, when I tell y'all I cannot pluck my brows because, oh my God, they hurt it so bad. But I'm going in with Vaseline because, like I said, I have sensitive skin, and the Nair did irritate my skin, so I put some Vaseline on my brows. And I also waited a day before I applied the the tinting part. So I did that 24 hours later, and I'll leave all the products that I use in the description. Oh my God, I can't talk, in the description box. But yeah, I'm just filling in my brows like I would do if I was using a pomade or anything. And you guys, this stuff, oh my God, like, it's amazing. I got the color dark brown, but I don't know, maybe I should have got like dark brown and black and mixed it together, because the dark brown, like the tail of my brows, it really wasn't doing it. But yeah, I'm just wiping off with a baby wipe, and I dropped my baby wipe, that's why I bent down. And I think I like them. Like, they're dark, but they're not too dark. Like, they're perfect. Like, seriously, oh my God, you guys, my brows like super perfect. Like, I don't have to fill them in, I can just get up and go. But yeah, like I was saying, the tail part, like, oh my God, that was annoying. But it's fine. It wasn't that expensive, so I get what I got. But yeah, here's a close-up of my brows. They're like, oh my God. And I did one lash off camera. I'm like all over the place with this voiceover. That's why I do not like doing voiceovers. But anyways, I'm using some Salon Perfect lashes, and they were like $6.94. I got it from Walmart, and I'm starting off with the long ones. And I placed that in the center. And yeah, this lashes come with everything. It comes with tweezers, lashes, and adhesive. So for $6.94, like, that was amazing. But I put like long lashes in the center, in the outer part. Then I went in with my medium lashes and I put that in the outer part, in the center. Then I did the same thing with my small lashes. Like, it had the sizes long, medium, and short. Yeah, so I did the same thing with each lashes. And I also got some Ardell lashes that I found in my makeup kit. They were like the mini lashes, so I put those in like spaces that were dim, so I can like thicken them up. It was just perfect. Like, I'm so pleased. Like, I'm pleased with myself. This is my first time doing it, so yeah. But I'm gonna just stop talking and just let some music play, because I mean, the rest of this is pretty much repetitive. Okay, so you guys, this is the final look. I'm really pleased with my lashes for the most part. This is my first time doing my lashes and my brows. This is my first time doing all this, so it was like a trial and error. This lash looks more of a make-like lash, like more wispy, and this is actually the lash that I struggle with. And I think they were more wispy because some of them are twisted, so they're not put on like upright, straight, or whatever. They're like twisted, and this one is like more of a natural, you know, full lash. I don't know. I wish I was both-handed, you know, so I can do both of them the same, but I mean, for the most part, I really like them. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next video.